Hi, I'm going to show you how to download and install AutoCAD and take you through the whole registration process and verification process. So we'll start by going to our browser. In this case I'm just using Edge. You're going to go search for Autodesk Student. You click on the first link there that says Autodesk Student Software or Education Software 1-year license. Okay, so on this page you're going to go click on Sign In, and then you go create a new account. So we create a dummy account. Okay, just agree to the terms and conditions and then create your account. And just check that box there and say done. Okay, so now we just need to confirm. So go get started. Okay, and you say here, get your verification email. You go to your inbox, the one that you created your account with. And then you just verify the mail. Simple as that. So it takes you to this page and you'll see here that you're signed in. And now we just need to go verify our eligibility as a student. So just scroll down until you see AutoCAD. Click on the Get Started link at the bottom of it. Sign in again. Okay, so now you select your country. In this case we are South Africa. Education role, you are a student. Institution type, post-secondary or university. And then your date of birth. Okay, so now you're going to look for the college name. In this case we are looking for AIE. And then you can choose either the Academic Institute of Excellence Midrand or AIE Institute, the Academic Institute of Excellence. In most cases just select the first one, that will be more than sufficient. Your enrollment dates. So continue. So now it wants you to confirm that you are eligible to access the student licenses. So now again you click Start It. Confirm your details over here. Make sure everything is correct. You say confirm. And now it's looking for a transcript or a confirmation letter or a picture of your student card. In this case we're going to use a transcript, a confirmation letter, which is this one over here at the bottom. So I'm just going to make the screen a bit bigger again. And you'll see there you can just drag it and drop it in there. And then you submit and close. And then you wait for about 5 to 15 minutes and you check your inbox again for any update emails from Autodesk. And you see it just came in saying that I'm now eligible to download the software. So now we say go get products. Okay, so there we go, we are now confirmed. So get Autodesk software, there we go. So now you scroll down to you see AutoCAD at the bottom and you say get product. It will ask you what version you want, so Windows or Mac. In this case AutoCAD only works on Windows. And you say what year version, so we're still in 2021, so you grab 2021 over there and English. And you can choose to either download or install. Install will be the easiest, it will do everything from there for you. And it's busy downloading. So this is just a small little file that downloads, and then from there on it will start the whole download of the application. So then run. You'll get a pop-up asking you to confirm whether or not you want this software to install in your computer. You just say yes. And then the screen will automatically open. And then you just wait for it to finish the download. Okay, so now on this screen you go click install, and then overall you just wait again for all the installations to complete. Okay, now AutoCAD is installed, so I click on launch now. And you'll get the screen over here that says let's get started. So you can either activate your license with a serial number or a network license, which in this case we're not going to use. You're going to sign in with your Autodesk ID. So here we'll use that email account that you used to sign up with your account for AutoCAD or Autodesk. You don't have to do this, you just say remind me later, and your account's activated. And you can continue using AutoCAD. Now this will also pertain to all Autodesk software, so you can do the exact same steps for Revit or for 3ds Max or Inventor. It will all work the same.